Class 8 Computer Chapter number 10 Question Answer. So first we will do question answer. First question है, what is data communication? So data communication is defined as a transfer of information such as thoughts and message between two entities. Now second question है, what are two types of electrical signals? So these are two types of signals, analog and digital. तो ये दोनों हैं, analog and digital. Now third है, how many components does a data communication model have? Name them. So there are majorly 4 components: user, transmitter, communicational channel and receiver and destiny. Sorry, five main components: user, transmitter, communication channel, receiver and destiny. Now next question is, what is difference between guided and unguided media of communication? So difference between guided and unguided media is that with guided media the electromagnetic waves are guided along with the physical path, and with unguided media, also called wireless, the transmitting electromagnetic waves are not guided along with the physical path. Now the next question is, differentiate between half duplex and full duplex communication. So half duplex communication is possible in both direction between two entities, computers or person, but one at a time, and a walkie-talkie uses this approach. Now in a full duplex communication system, the two parties, the caller and the called, can communicate simultaneously as in a telephone system. Next question is, what are different types of networks? There are different types of network such as point-to-point, local area network called LAN, metropolitan area network called MAN, and wide area network called WAN. Now next question is, difference between MAN and WAN. So MAN यानी कि the metropolitan area network is designed to cover an entire city, and it can be a single network such as cable TV or a number of LANs connected together within a city form a MAN. So in a WAN यानी कि wide area network, a WAN is a data communication network that cover relatively broad geographical area, often a country or a continent. It contains a collection machines instant for running user programs. Now the next question is, what is a network topology? What is its different forms? So the topology defines how the device, computers, printer, etc. are connected and how the data flows from one device to another. There are various kinds of topology like बस टोपोलॉजी हो गया, रिंग टोपोलॉजी हो गया, आपका स्टार टोपोलॉजी हो गया, मेश टोपोलॉजी एंड हाइब्रिड टोपोलॉजी. Now the next question is, differentiate between ring and star topologies. So in a ring topology was in the beginning of LAN area, and in a ring topology each system is connected to the next as shown in the following picture, as you can see in the picture. And in a star topology, each station is connected to a central node. Central node can be either a hub or a switch. Now the next question is, write the full forms of the following. आप इनका फुल फॉर्म लिखनी है. LAN local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, WAN wide area network, DTE data terminal equipment, DCE data communication equipment, FTP file transfer protocol, HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, TCP transmission control protocol. And the last question is, what is a modem? So modem, a piece of equipment that connects two or more computers together by means of a telephone line so that information can go from one to another. So it is called a modem. Now next we will do it, fill in the blanks. A binary digit is also called a discrete. There are two types of signal, are analogy and digital. All naturally available signals are analogy in nature. A walkie-talkie uses half duplex communication, and a LAN is spread over a small geographical area. Now true false. The communication model has 4 subsystems. It is false. A microphone produces digital signal is true. In simplex communication, sender and receiver cannot change their roles. So it is true. The man covers a country or continent. False. Star topology is the dominant physical topology today. It is true. Now we will do match the following. Modem. So modem का होगा modulator, demodulator. Hybrid topology, combined or two or more topologies. Parent digit 0 and 1 star topology uses a central node star topology uses central node to connect and LAN covers a small geographical area. तो हमने इस चैप्टर के सभी क्वेश्चन आंसर कर दिए हैं. अगली वीडियो में हम इसके नेक्स्ट चैप्टर करेंगे. सो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल.